Up for sale is my 1994 Holden Commodore Berlina. That has travelled only 49,000 kilometres from new. This has to be one of the tidiest low mileage Berlinas in New Zealand as far as I'm aware. It's been garage kept from new and been exceptionally well looked after. The only reason I'm selling it is I have another old Australian vehicle heading my way that is going to need the garage space. So the vehicle runs absolutely perfectly. It still smells like new car in here. A very nostalgic smell of a mid-90s Holden. Door cards are all beautiful. Upholstery's really nice. There's just a real minor little mark in that seat there. Headlining is still nice. All the electric windows still work. The aerial works. Aircon still blows ice cold. There is no rust in this at all. Completely original stock radio, trip computer, etc, etc. I'll go around the outside now and I'll point out any marks or anything that I can find. I'll start at this front right corner here. So look at the paint, it's very, very tidy. Headlight guards, the front bumper barely has a stone chip on it. Look at that tiny few stone chips. There, and there, and there. Keeping with a car that's 32 years old. Front tyres have plenty of tread on them. And the alloys are in really good condition as well. Look down the side there, really straight. Now it's all waft and redged, all legal. Now down on this door here, this is probably the most, it's got a mark in the plastic there, and there was a scratch through the paint there on that door there. Round to the back side of the car, really tidy. There's a little bit of dust on the bumper there. Down here it's got a tow bar. There's a little scuff in the paint there. I don't even know if it's towed anything at this time. That tow ball still looks really new. I'll just start the engine up and let you have a listen. It's got two sets of keys, remote keys. It's got cruise control, all that works, and look at that, 49,000 kilometres. AC, all works, radio works. Electric aerials come up. Alright. Oh, I'll go over the wafts. So Warrant of Fitness is not due until the 2nd of the 7th, 26. Next service is not due until 59,000 kilometres. And the registration, let's check that out over here, is not due until August 2026. Feel free to give me a call if you got any questions. Anyone who comes to look at it will be super impressed at just how tidy this old girl is. Thank you for watching.